Hello, I'm Tech Sergeant Applegate, and now we're going to go over the war report. To find that, we're going to go to the R drive common folder, TURAF tracker folder, and then we can see this turaftracker.accde. Let's open it up. You may get a warning saying, something about macros, or do you want to enable? Make sure you enable and click OK or open on all the options. I've created this document, so I'm not getting the warnings, but it's likely that since you did not author the document, that you may get some warnings. So, without further ado, on the top left of the screen, we have a list of tables. These tables contain the information that's compiled in this form. If you want to click on them, go ahead. Please don't change the data inside, because you could edit that and change whatever information is inside, but that would be bad. But if you want, you can look at it. This corresponds to the day. This corresponds to the time period that the information comes from. This is the number of operations in each category. So we could look at November, for instance, and we can see vehicles and number of F-16s, etc. But I've created this war report form to make it easier to understand the data that you really want. And this is current instantaneously. If a controller clicks a button on the traffic count form, it'll be stored here, not quite instantaneously, but every few minutes it queries and it updates this file. So it's pretty current. So let's go to February, for instance. Today's February 1st, and we're going to see a report. We've had 6 Air Force, U.S. Air Force ops, 29 vehicles, and then 2 F-16s, 2 tankers, and 0 CASA, etc. Operations. Pretty simple. If you want to change the report, just choose a different item from the drop-down box. That's all you got to do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.